Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Check your memory and boat log for the last known spot and time because time matters. Open your paired phone's Find My or Locator app and run a Bluetooth scan. Once done, mark any strong signals. Make sure boat crew know and lock down movement so the watch isn't shifted. Retrace the route on foot or by dinghy, checking likely pockets and deck compartments systematically. Move deliberately so you don't disturb potential signal readings, and note where signal strength increases. Once you have a signal, switch to more detailed tracking. Follow signal strength gradients and map breadcrumbs on your phone to narrow a search radius. Use the watch's ping or ring feature. You'll hear it if close. Make controlled searches of prioritized zones, cockpit, cabin pockets, lockers, under cushions and seats, bilge areas, so you don't miss hidden crevices. If signal is weak, use a Bluetooth range app, a magnetic flashlight for reflections, or a small detector to locate metal components, and when you find the watch, secure it and immediately test core functions and charging. If water exposure is possible, dry and isolate the device before powering. If you don't find it, expand the search area, review nearby slip or security cameras, and notify marina staff and crew. For troubleshooting, verify the watch battery, airplane or power-saving modes, and whether it was unpaired or reset. Use last-seen GPS breadcrumbs to guide a second sweep. Keep calm and methodically revisit high-probability spots.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.